Gogglebox family favorites the Malones have shared a heartbreaking update, leaving fans gutted after announcing their beloved pet Dave has died. The Malones joined the cast of Gogglebox back in 2014 and are made up of Mum Julie, Dad Tom Sr., sons Sean and Tom Jr., and daughter Vanessa. Tom Jr. quit the show back in February 2021, but the rest of his family have continued with the series. Dave the Rottweiler became a fan-favorite member of the Malone family, and was a part of many hilarious moments in the series, from attacking the family's helium machine to leaping on Dad Tom Sr. Taking to social media, Julie wrote, "R.I.P. Dave 30. There are no words to describe you, or how much you meant to us." She continued, "This was you on Sunday waiting for your dad to come back and he had only gone out to the car. We are all going to miss you so much." Gogglebox co-star Izzy Warner penned, "Or rest in peace Dave. Sending you all lots of love 20." Another fan wrote, "Oh no, so sorry for all the family, and he will be missed attacking Tom and barking at the animal programs 20. R.I.P. Dave the Legend 20. Sorry to hear that. Dave was a great dog. The amount of times he used to hit Tom accidentally made me laugh so much 20, one fan wrote. While another echoed, "Oh my god, I'm so sorry to see this. So upsetting. All my love to you all. We have lost one this year and in the process of operations for my youngest dog. This really is so ups."